How to lock photos gallery on Samsung with password Samsung Galaxy A56. Open your photo gallery, then you can see the menu option, then you can see the setting. Then once you go to setting, then you have to enable your gallery lab. If you don't have gallery lab, simply go to your about phone and press the version 7 times like that, then your photo gallery labs is enabled. Once enable gallery lab, go to gallery lab and scroll down, then you can see the album entry lock. Just enable this option. Now go back to my gallery. For example, I want to lock this on, then press and hold, press on more. Now if you don't see the option, simply restart your phone. Now go to your photo album again. Now press and hold, press on more, then you can see lock album. Press on lock album, then your album is locked. Now if you press on this icon, you need to unlock with your pattern or password. You don't able to unlock without pattern. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.